In this video, I'm going to show you how to add book now button on Instagram, okay? As usual, in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We just dive right into the content you are looking for, okay? Once you are on your Instagram app, what you want to do now is click on the profile picture to the right here at the bottom. Just tap on your profile picture. Then you will see various options here. There are options for edit profile and share profile. We want to click on edit profile button. Just tap on it once and allow it to load. Then scroll down. Just scroll down until you see this place with the button called this place labeled action buttons. Just tap on it once like that. Then you will see various options here. Now what you want to select on here is book now button. Just tap on it, allow it to load. Okay, now add a book now button. Now you will see various options here for adding book now button. Okay, now you will choose one. Just choose one. Maybe you are comfortable with that first one there. This one you will need to log into Acuity and do everything. That is, just make sure that you follow every step here, because these are various buttons that you can implement on your Instagram. Maybe you want to select on that. Make sure that you just follow every step here until you successfully select the partner for adding a book now button, because these are all Instagram partners. Be sure you follow, you pick the right one. Then you just click on the tick symbol at the top. Thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.